Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? It's Tony. I know last time I talked about PLTR was like a week ago. It sucks because work's been super busy, so it's kind of hard to make videos while I'm at work and doing a bunch of stuff, right? I think it did look like we wanted to play out scenario number one. Like I told you guys, scenario one would be the bullish case in which we would go all the way up to $26 or so, drop down, and then drop even further down to $19. Scenario number two would basically be we retest this price at 22, 23 bucks, and then we go all the way down. Just looking at overall movement of the market, I do think as of right now we are playing out market structure. So if you guys can see on the day chart, let me see if I can. Oh, that's my wife telling me that our baby is asleep. It does look like we might be playing out market structure here. As you guys can see, we did create lower lows right here at this $23, $24 level. We broke up, created new lower lows down here, and it does look like we are testing this market structure of the 23, 24 range. And if we do break up to this upside of $25, $26, I think I might turn bullish, and in which case I do think we might even cross or go pass up to $28.50 or so. If we do pass this previous higher low of 27.44 around that level, I do think that I'm gonna turn bullish, and I do think we're gonna go straight to the upside. But as of right now, again, I'm still pretty bearish. I mean, there's no reason for me to change any of my original ideas. I mean, I still think that scenario one, this should have played out if PLTR was more of on a bullish sentiment, but it didn't, right? We barely made it, and we actually retested market structure. We retested market structure back here on the lows, right? So I do think that as of right now, I gotta say I'm still pretty bearish on PLTR. I do think we are well underway at possibly going back down to like the $20 mark, 21, and then potentially going even down lower to like the $18.50, $19 mark or so. So I do think as of right now, scenario one didn't play out on the bullish side as much as I thought it was going to, which kind of sucks, to be honest, because I actually thought it was going to keep going a little bit higher and at least retouch that $26 mark. But like I told you guys, scenario one, the bullish case, if we were actually super bullish, we would have actually retested that 26 price point last week. I do think that as of right now, we are well underway of going back down to around 18, or not really 18, but more like $19 or so. So I think if we do cross on Monday or two, I do think Monday is going to be green for the most part. Again, I could be wrong, but it does seem like Monday, usually when it's a holiday or a longer weekend, Monday tends to be on the green side, right? But I do think if we do cross back under this $22.50 mark, I 100% think we're going down to like $19 or so. I think after constantly trying to break the support right here, this previous support of like $21 or so, I think if we go down one more time, I think we're going down to $19. And if we do break on the lower side of $22.50, I'm probably buying puts again on PLTR and just kind of writing them down. But as of right now, scenario one didn't even play out because I actually gave PLTR a little bit more bullish movement that I thought it was going to play out, but it didn't even go that high, which is the crazy part. So yeah, I'm still pretty bearish on PLTR. I still think it's going down to $19.